Are you having a bad day? Give up and visit your local tiki bar. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. When life gets to be too much and you find yourself fighting with clerks in dollar stores over quarters or witnessing the fifth person in one day running a red light, it's time to adjourn to your happy place. In our case, the fabulous Lun Wah in Roselle, New Jersey. A lovely bowl drink is just what we need to restore our faith in the world. To make the Velvetiki Bowl, all you do is combine 4 ounces dark Jamaican rum, 2 ounces spiced rum, 1 ounce triple sec, 1 ounce amaretto, 2 ounces mango peach juice, 1 ounce orange juice, and 1 ounce fresh lime juice in a bowl and light. That is so much better.
Let's stay here for a while.
Agreed. Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Be sure to visit our Facebook page for lovely libations, liquored up live broadcasts, and more. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.
See you soon.